It's super hot right now. But hey everybody, welcome back to a new vlog. So today is Tuesday. For all of my new subscribers, hi, my name is Elizabeth. Most of my family and friends call me Ellie. On my channel you get to see a little bit of everything. I upload my vlogs weekly, so you get to see, you know, what I'm doing on a daily, or try to see what I'm doing on a daily basis. On those days sometimes I do cleaning, organizing, DIYs, projects, and who knows what else I'm up to during the week. And then every 2 weeks I will upload a project or something that I have going on that's just taking me more time than, you know, a vlog. I try to, you know, show you guys the real deal. This is me. This is, you know, what I go through on a daily life. I am a mom of 2. I have a full-time job. I, you know, have other things going on, you know, family, being sick, or, you know, stuff. I do suffer from thyroid problems, so I'm on a constant, you know, go trying to, you know, keep myself in a good mood, in a good attitude, because sometimes having thyroid sucks. So I'm constantly, you know, trying to remind myself that I'm thankful to be able to do all these new things every day, and I'm just lucky, you know, to see another day every day. And but yeah, this is just what I want my channel to be about. Mostly, you know, I know there's a lot of other moms out here that we're working. We're trying to get things done and still try to keep ourselves from growing crazy. But yeah, so today is Tuesday. I actually didn't vlog yesterday. Talking about real life, me and the girls actually got food poisoning. Unfortunately, from something, we don't know what it was. I think we ate something on Sunday, but Monday morning, around 6 o'clock in the morning, I woke up. I was throwing up. I was shaking. I felt like I was gonna pass out. My oldest stomach was bothering her really bad. My little one just did not feel good. They were both like really hot. At first I thought, you know, we had gotten something, but this morning we're all doing a little better. I'm doing the best, I think, because I actually got it out of my system. My kids just don't like, you know, throwing up, so they really try not to, and unfortunately they still felt not too well this morning. But we only have 3 days of school, and then they get off for spring break, and I told them to just try to pull it together as much as we could for today. I'm actually headed to pick them up right now, because I told them I would pick them up early, just so they could pick up all their work that they missed from yesterday, and I'd pick them up early so they could rest a little bit more, and then tomorrow we could go back to normal, you know. Yeah, so that sucked. And then this morning, I actually was getting my, I'm trying to think what it's called. It's my tank for my well. I noticed, I want to say Friday afternoon, I noticed, I work out a lot inside the garage, so I noticed that this little meter, it usually makes this really loud whistle noise when it lets the air go out. And I realized that it hadn't been doing that noise for a while, and I told my husband, you know, like, something's going on with the tank. And then, I'm not kidding, like, that night the water started spewing out a lot of air. So that they call it waterlogged, or airlogged. So that means there's more air in the tank than water, and that could be bad because it can mess something else up. So I tried to call Saturday, but it was way too late, and I got like the after hour people thing, and they said that they didn't have anybody available to call back until Monday, and so that's what I was supposed to do. But with us being sick, that kind of ruined my plans, because I could not do my grocery shopping, my Reset Monday stuff, like all of that was not happening on Monday. But once I felt a little bit better, around 3:30, I did give them a call, and they told me they would be coming today, which they did, thankfully. The guy was super nice, and he was really quick. And when I tell you, when he opened that sucker up, it was loud. It's like I'm trying to think, like a train, you know, when the train whistle blows, like that. It was loud. So yeah, it didn't take him long. It was like 10-15 minutes, I want to say 15-20 minutes top, and he was done. And he's like, "You're good to go." And I was like, "Oh, yay." So we are going to be getting something done to the tank, because we have a lot of iron or debris it's like orangey stuff or dirt going into the water, and that's not good for your teeth, for your hair, for your skin. So he recommended somebody, and they should be coming to take a look at that because it's just gross, and we constantly change out the filter and we're still having problems. So hopefully we can get that fixed, and then we still have to get the line system fixed in the back because we still haven't found somebody to properly do it. My dad's like, just be very careful who you get, because he had it done and not even a year later his lines messed up again. So he's like, just, you know, it's not something cheap to get done on a home. So he's like, just make sure, you know, you find somebody who's going to do it right the first time, and you're not, you know, having to have trouble with it later, because that would suck. But yes, I will talk to you guys a little bit later. I'm almost here to pick up my oldest, and then I'm gonna head to get my little one, and then I'm gonna go home and make them some albondigas, because since their tummies aren't still all that well, a little, you know, veggie soup would do them very much good. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys a little bit later. I just finished one side. So a few months ago, I actually purchased this right here. It's called Edge Coat. I think it was like $10 on Amazon. I don't know if you guys remember in my last vlog, I think I said this is one of my more expensive bags. The only problem with her is I'm not sure it's because the straps are so skinny, like they're as smaller than my finger, or as small as my finger. All of the edging came off, so I'm trying to preserve her as long as I can. And they said, you know, to cut off the excess and then just burn off the sides and then go ahead and do this. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this all to my purse, and I'm hoping, you know, this is gonna help it from peeling all that extra stuff that keeps coming off. So far though, I just did this one side and I really like how it looks, so I'm very happy about that. So yeah, I'm very happy it's actually working, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest. Good morning, good afternoon. I don't even know what day it is today. Friday, Saturday. I think it's Saturday. Like I was telling the girls, I've been so messed up this week because they didn't have school on Friday because their spring break started. So it's like, whoo, my mind. But can we talk about my friend? Yeah, he just decided to pop up this morning. I was like, oh, hey, thanks for showing up. But I can't even remember what the last thing it was that I vlogged. It's just been such a crazy week. I just got off work. I've been working double shifts all week, and yeah, that's kind of pushed me off. And then our computer system has been messing up at work, so I'm kind of like the IT tech, so I've been trying to fix it, and I've been on and off, you know, with customer service. So it's been one thing after another, so I've been super, super busy. And then, yeah, that's about it. But we really want some boba, so we're gonna come and get some boba. And then I need to get some stuff from Home Depot because I want to spray paint the mirror that I have where I work out, because I'm not liking the color it is anymore. It's the color gold, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint it black, of course. And that way I can start, you know, decorating and moving the things around in there, so I can start making that area more like gymmy, like more gym style. So I want to start purchasing like the foams and just getting more things, so it just looks more organized and clean than what it looks like right now. I also got to get rid of all that stuff that I have from like my yard sales and stuff. I need to get sell it, like bulk size sell it or something like that, so I can just get rid of it. But yeah, let me go ahead, and we're about to go inside, and then we'll see y'all a little bit later. Okay, so we need a black and matte. That is gloss, satin, flat. Right. I'm also out of the polyurethane, but they only have the big size. I really need the smaller one because I don't use it so often. I really want like a small one. That way it doesn't dry out as much as me. Like those tiny ones, I like that. Because if I get the big one and I don't use it often, they'll dry out and they get like ugly. So unfortunately, they don't have one. This is actually the second store I come to and they don't have it in that size. I don't know why. I'm gonna have to try Lowe's, but definitely not today. Okay, let's go. All right, so this is a mirror I use when I work out, and once upon a time I had spray painted her gold so she can match my daughter's room. This was in my daughter's room like a long time ago, and then I gave her my bigger, longer mirror, and then the mirror that's in my room right now used to be over here. So I switched like all the mirrors around, but I don't like the gold anymore. So I want to spray paint it black so it can match everything else that I have in here. So yeah, let me go ahead and do that. Alright everybody, so I am done. I really need to buy that spray gun holder thing that you can adapt to any like spray paint, because that would make it so much easier since I do a lot of this. But already she's not dried yet. I'm gonna let her dry until tomorrow. I'll take all of that off, and if any paint got on the mirror itself, I have like this little scraper that you can use to clean up the edges, and I'll do that tomorrow. But yeah, already I like how she looks so much better. I'm actually really debating if I should move her into my room and bring my bigger mirror back out here, because I like my bigger mirror out here when I was working out than the smaller one. So I'm actually debating that now because I really like how this black looks. I don't know, we'll see what I do. But yes, I will talk to you guys. Hold on, because I'm sweating. It was like, it's super hot right now. But I will talk to you guys until Monday. I'm gonna go ahead and do some things inside. Next week we actually are gonna have a busy week. I'm gonna try to finish up all the projects I have for my daughter's quinceañera to get those out of the way so they're done and I don't have to worry about them, because since they're off all week for spring break, I got the time. So we're gonna do those this coming week, and then I'm gonna film them all for you and put them in just one video so you can see all of those projects in one. For any of my mamas out here, you know, doing a quinceañera, give you some ideas or something like that. But yes, I'll talk to you guys or see you guys next week. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and yeah, take care. Bye.